Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with eBay Partner Network for commission from referrals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the eBay Partner Network website. Look for the Sign Up or Join Now button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information in the application form. Provide your name, email address, and a secure password. Select your country from the drop-down menu provided. Next, you will see an option to enter your website or blog details. If you don't have a website, you can use your social media profiles instead. Make sure to describe how you plan to promote eBay products in the provided section. Review the terms and conditions of the eBay Partner Network. Check the box to agree to these terms before proceeding. Once you have completed all fields, click the Submit button to send your application. After submitting, you may receive a confirmation email from eBay. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log in to the eBay Partner Network dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and features available. Now, you can start exploring the tools for creating affiliate links. Choose the products you want to promote and generate your unique links. Share these links through your chosen platforms. Monitor your earnings and performance regularly on the dashboard. This will help you understand what works best for your audience. As you grow your referrals, you can increase your commission earnings. Stay updated with eBay promotions and new products to boost your success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.